So guys, welcome to another video. It's been about 6 months since my last video. Not that you guys even care, not that you guys were even counting. I don't know. Do you guys actually miss me? I abandoned this channel. It probably has a whole bunch of spider webs, a whole bunch of dust. Gotta clean it up. Gotta start making videos again, you know? To entertain you guys, because that's the whole point, right? I'm gonna be making green juice for the next few days, and you guys are going to enjoy it. Why? Because if you're on here, it's because you probably enjoy my videos. That's probably why. Anyway, we're gonna be juicing the next few days. I'm gonna show you the next. I'm gonna be showing you random recipes that I usually do. Juicing has to become a habit, and that's my goal, to make it a habit for you guys. Not just like beginning of the year, New Year resolution type of thing. So that's what we're gonna do. Anyway, let's get started, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Engineering improvements give you a huge 17-inch rectangular screen in this wonderfully compact new Westinghouse set. And it gives you a black glass tube, which means that you get a clear, sharp picture even in daylight.
Alright guys, so we got our juice. We got celery and half a lime. Nice and simple. It tastes really good. I've grown to like celery, believe it or not. I like the way it tastes. Especially when you kind of lack a little bit of sodium in your diet. Getting that nice organic source of sodium from a vegetable. It feels good in the body. It's very hydrating as well. Great for your joints. This literally helped my mom. She would drink a liter of celery juice a day, and it helped her with arthritis, along with sulfur and lemon and water in the morning and at night. That was like her routine, and it helped her with her arthritis like 14, 15, I think it was like 14 or 15 years ago. It's been a long time, and that helped her out a lot, as well as my aunt. Just a quick fact about that. Other than that, I get a lot of questions. I've gotten a lot of questions in the past. If this is all I drink in the day and then I don't eat anything else, if I fast, people want to know if I fast throughout the day. Well, no guys, there's only 18 ounces. This is like, I do this as a habit because it feels good. I like the way I feel. But if I were to do like a proper juice fast, I'd probably have to drink like 10 of these in a day. And that's a lot of work. Not sure I want to do that right now. I've done small juice fasts like for 3 days, but I do include a meal, a small meal. But like just going hardcore with the juices, like without any food, it's kind of tough because I like to do a lot of activities outside, and yeah, you know, when you're doing a lot of activities, you burn more calories. So, and you're not getting that many calories from these drinks, so it's kind of tough. It's good. It's really good. Now, in the past, I would like chug this, but I don't want to chug it. I want to enjoy it. So take my word for it that I will drink the rest, because you don't want to chug your juices because you want to be able to absorb all the nutrients and minerals the best way possible. And by chugging it, you're not going to do that. So yeah, I'm going to just enjoy my juice, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, hopefully. Yeah, I'm going to record the next few days. I'm not sure if this is going to actually go 5 or 7 days. I'll just do the best that I can. That's all we can hope for, because I'm a busy man. Yeah. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it's the next day, and today I decided to use a slow juicer. A lot of people like slow juicers because it does not oxidize your juice. The only bad thing is that it makes the process very, very, very slow. We're gonna be making kale-aid today because we cannot drink Kool-Aid. Kool-Aid is not good. Too much artificial sugars and colorings. We don't want that. So today we have celery, we have 2 Granny Smith apples, a lemon, and we have a bunch of kale. Hence, kale-aid. Not Kool-Aid, kale-aid. So, I say we get started. Hope you guys are excited as I am. Let's go. All right, guys, that's it. Slow juicer, slow process. Trust the process, they say. I trust it. Anyway, I need a cup, and give me a brief second. What cup should I use today? What if I poured the green juice into a coffee mug? Why not? That's really living life on the edge. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's video or today's juice. Yeah, let's just pour this bad boy in. This is amazing. Full of life. All right, let's pour this baby in. Wow, look at that. Full of life, energy, vitamins and minerals you can't get anywhere else. Well, here we go, guys. Here's the juice. Cheers. It does not taste like Kool-Aid, but it's still pretty good. I promise the next juice won't be this slow. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, bye. Alright guys, this is the last and final day of drinking green juice here on YouTube. If you want to follow me in the next few days, I still got a whole bunch of vegetables left over. Follow me on Instagram, I'll be making my juices there. I get a lot of questions, I get a lot of questions, people asking me, Brian, can I make green juice in a blender instead of a juicer? Because I don't have a juicer and I want to make juice. The answer is yes. Yes, you can. It's not going to be the same, but something is better than nothing. That's something that people seem to not understand. Because a lot of people, they either go the full 100% or nothing. But if you do little by little, you'll get to that 100% one day.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I don't know how that applies to this. I don't know. All right, anyway, today we're gonna be making cucumber juice. I'm gonna be using a full cucumber, gonna be using a bunch of spinach, half a lime, a Granny Smith apple, a piece of ginger, a cup of water, and I'm gonna be using a nut milk bag to separate the fiber from the juice. So we get started. I have to chop all of this up like a ninja, and we'll get started right away. All right, guys, so we have everything already chopped up. Real quickly, we got spinach, great source of beta carotene, also has magnesium. We have lime. I didn't peel off the skin because these are organic. Usually the ones that are not organic have a whole bunch of herbicides, pesticides, and a whole bunch of other stuff on them. So you usually don't want to juice those or blend them in this case. We got water because we need water to blend everything up. We're about to use also a cucumber, great source of silica, great for the beauty, great for your skin, for wrinkles. We got Granny Smith apple, which is a great source of pectin. Those of you who have problems with diabetes, look up pectin and you're gonna see that it does wonders for people who have diabetes. Ginger for the immune system, also really good. I felt personally like those days where you might have like a sore throat or you feel like a cold coming on and you juice some of this, helps a lot. That's it. So let's get started. Let's put this all in here and blend it on. So it's not exactly as it would taste if you were to make it in a juicer, because obviously we have water in here, we have a cup of water, so it's not gonna taste as strong because the ginger, although you do taste it, it's not as strong as it would be if you put it in a juicer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you guys would like to see more videos like this. And you know what? We'll probably see you in another 6 months. Just kidding. I don't know how long it's gonna take me to make another video. You know, if you guys leave me some comments down below and you're like, hey Brian, we want to see more videos, maybe it'll motivate me to make more videos. But then again, I shouldn't rely on you guys to motivate me to do videos, just as how I don't rely on other people to motivate me to juice. So that means you guys shouldn't even be watching this video to get motivated to juice. What was the whole point of this video? There's like no point at all. Follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see more juicing videos and my stories. I post every now and then. And I'll see you guys on the next one in 6 months. All right, peace out. God bless.